The Pyle Marine Bluetooth speakers offer exceptional durability with their marine-grade waterproof construction, making them ideal for use in boats and other water-based environments. With Bluetooth version 4.2, these speakers allow for seamless wireless music streaming from a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Boasting a powerful 600-watt peak output, these speakers deliver a full-range stereo sound with impressive bass response, ensuring an immersive audio experience. Designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, the speakers feature a robust build with an ABS housing and UV-resistant grille to combat sun damage. The speaker's low-profile design and standard size make installation straightforward, fitting easily into most setups with a mounting depth of 3.1 inches. The active speaker's built-in 2-channel digital amplifier enhances sound quality, while the daisy chain capability allows for easy expansion of your audio system.